Ladies and gentlemen, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to create document, and you're going to call this one your actual puzzle cube. I'm going to say number 1 because I'm pretty sure I'm going to do a lot of them. Hit OK. So this should be brand new. I mean, not new to you. Okay, now the second part is actually at the bottom here on your tabs. We are actually going to be using assembly. So right here, I want you to click on assembly. I'm going through the process for 4 minutes, and then we're going to do it together. Okay, so you're in assembly. You're usually in parts, now you're in assembly. Now you're going to click up here where it says insert, and you're going to have nothing there, which is fine. Go to other documents. Then you're going to go to my Onshape, and all your puzzle pieces should be there. Okay, so what I did was I chose one that's at the bottom. So I first decided to do this bottom part first. So I clicked on what was red. Okay, now you're going to click on Studio Part 1. Okay, and that loads it here. Okay, so I'm going to hit the green check mark for the first one I do. First one I do is there. What that does is it locks it, it fixes, we're going to put it to fix. Okay, so what does that mean? That means that I can't move it. It's fixed there. Okay, now it's flat, which is perfect. With your mouse, you can zoom in and out. Okay, I'm going to hit insert again. And now I'm going to insert basically this black one. Okay, as you can see on the little square, I'm going to insert this black one. So here I go. Insert, go to other, my Onshape, and you're going to search for your second piece, and I'm going to do the black one here. And now for this one, Studio Part, oh, yes, so we're going to do that. And then we're going to, if you get this message, just hit create, it's fine. Wait, okay, we're halfway there to 4 minutes. Okay. Now you're going to click in this window over here. Click. And that places 1. And then we're going to go check mark second. So this one's different. Click inside, then check mark. On the first one, you just do check mark. That way it places it right at the origin. All right, so now you got to orient yourself like, okay, this piece, how does this piece relate to this? Like, what parts connect where? This is the tricky part. So what I'm going to do is I am going to figure out the black one goes like this, and it's kind of hard to tell. Oh, that's a better angle. Okay, this block right here goes right in here. So this block right here goes here. So this is the most important thing I'm going to teach you today, right here, right now. So pay attention. You're not doing anything on your screen. You're just looking at my screen. I'm going to do the exact same things with you in a minute with your stuff. But right now you're just focusing. So the hardest part is like figuring out, okay, which like corner matches which corner on this one. It's all about the corners. Oh my gosh. It's all about the corners. Okay. So I know that this corner right here is going to match up to this top corner right there. Okay. So we are going to select right here. It's called Fasten Mate. Okay. This one right here, locate it. Okay. We're going to click there. Now I'm going to zoom in. Okay. Now you're going to get this like disc thing on your screen. Okay. And like all the corners appear or the sides appear. So this is where it's like, does it matter what I click on? Oh my gosh, it matters so much. So I know that this corner right there has to match that other corner that I pointed to. Now be careful with this disc. It could be like pointing at the other direction. So it could be facing like that side. So you see how it's like flat to the right side? I don't want it that way. I want it flat on this side. So be very careful where it's oriented, okay? So this disc, you have to kind of figure out with your mouse, like make sure it's pointed flat on this side, on the blue side, not the red side, not the green side. So you have to take your time on this, okay? So you click on that corner, then you find the other corner it matches to, and then with your, you can rotate with your mouse. And I know, wait, hold on, now I lost it. Oh, I knew this was gonna happen to me. I have to visualize what's going on. I have my cube as an example. Okay, so if I remember correctly, it's not easy. It's this corner right here. So I have to find that corner, make sure it's facing the right way, click. Did I click? Oh, disappeared. So that's fine. Just gotta find it. If you like lose your piece, just click over here, the down arrow, then click on isometric. That kind of takes you home. Okay, so as you can see here, my puzzle piece kind of like perfectly, it's in there, right? It's there. If you insert and it's not lining up perfectly, you have these two choices here. This will like rotate the piece. You know, sometimes if you click on that one, it will rotate it and you'll have different options, and it will rotate the piece to see like, okay, it's still connected right there where we did the two little conversions, but this is just a better way. Oh, okay, so I'm back. And then this other option kind of flips it. If it doesn't work the first way, try that. So try these two in different combinations. If you like it, you hit the check mark and it stays. Okay? And then you hit, we're good there. And then you insert your next piece to combine. Again, you go to other, on shape, and then what I like to do is I like to go to my puzzle piece and I'm like, okay, I did the red and the black. What's my next layer? What's my next layer? So I'm gonna do the white one, and the white one goes right here. So I'm gonna insert the white one because that's the next one I should be doing. I'm gonna go by layers. You click on Studio Part Studio 1. You just put it on the side. Don't try to insert it like on the cube. Did it? Okay, don't do that. I just did it. It's fine. You just can move this, move it, move it. If it doesn't move and you're just so annoyed with it, you can, it should move though. If you're like not having it today, like I am, just, you could delete part. There. And again, insert, other, find the white one again. There it is. Part. Okay, and I don't want it anywhere near my cube. For some reason, my computer. Okay, there, click, check. So now I'm going to try to figure out what corners to use.